Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I turn these dollar press-on nails and these dollar nail stickers into a bomb Christmas nail set. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, these nails are from Shein and they were only $1.63. And the nail stickers are also from Shein and they are both from my Shein winter holiday nail haul. If you guys missed that video, go ahead and check it out. Click the link that's in the top right corner of the video. And what I'm doing right now is just sizing all my nails, making sure they fit really good from side wall to side wall. And I have picked out all my nail sizes, and this is what the nails look like before we add these stickers. These nails are on the thin side, but they do have a nice curve to them. They're not so sturdy at the tip. They're pretty flexible at the cuticle, which is always good, but we are going to thicken these nails up, as you guys will see in part 2 of this video. But let's get into these nail stickers. These are so cute and I love how 3D they are. They're not just a flat sticker. You get multiple stickers. I'm not sure how many, but it only comes with one sheet, but for $1 and some change, you can't beat it. So I have my nail stand clay and I'm just going to grab a little piece off, roll it up, stick it up under the press-on nail and stick the press-on nail onto the nail stand, and boom, that is exactly how you stick your nails onto the nail stand. I got the nail stand from Temu and I'll make sure I link it in the description. It's magnetic, so as you can see, none of the nails are falling off once you place them onto the stand, and the black part that's on the nail stand is removable, so if you need to pick it up and decorate your nail how you need to, you can, which is very convenient. So as you can see, I just applied my first nail sticker and I went with hats on the thumb. So we got the Santa hat, and then we got like the little elf hat, and then now I'm going to apply this like beanie hat. And I'm just kind of sticking them in a way that they'll look, unique, not just lining them up straight. And now we're on the next nail. And as you can see, it's really easy to just peel these stickers up off of that plastic and place them where you need to place them. And a lot of the stickers don't have doubles, meaning there's not a lot that has two that are the same. So I'm strategically picking the ones that have two that are the same because I want my left hand and my right hand to be cohesive and match each other, or be as close to matching each other as possible. I did not match both hands perfectly, but you'll see how strategic I was with getting these stickers placed so that the set will look as cohesive as possible. And I did not plan exactly how I was going to stick these stickers on the nails. I was just kind of going with the flow and just tapping into my creative side. I'm a very creative person, so I love creating my own sets, and I was just super excited to be doing this. And as you can see, the word December is on this finger, but I was like, I can't just leave it plain like that. I want to add a sticker to it. So I was going to apply this present sticker, but it was a little too big and it didn't fit in that corner space where I wanted it. So I picked one that was kind of slimmer, like this Christmas ornament, and it came out perfect. So now I am on my pinky and I just applied a mistletoe. I feel like it fit perfectly in that cuticle area of that pinky nail. And there was only one snowman out of all the stickers, but I just had to have a snowman. So I went ahead and applied it on this pinky nail, and we'll do something a little different on the other pinky nail for my other hand. And my middle finger was looking a little too plain, so I went ahead and added another sticker, which is a Christmas tree ornament. And boom, we are done with this hand, and it is so cute. This is so cute and easy to do, you guys. And you still have time to order your nails and your stickers if you like how these turned out. Christmas is still a few weeks out, and Shein don't be playing with their delivery time. I be getting my orders within a week, so make sure you check the description box for links to these nails and these nail stickers. So now I'm just using the same nail clay that I used for those nails on the next nails that I'm about to decorate for my other hand, because we don't let nothing just go to waste around here. Even though it's cheap, we gotta still make our coins stretch. So I'm using the same nail clay that I used from the nails I just decorated, and I'm just removing the ones I just decorated off the nail stand, and I'm placing the ones that I'm about to decorate onto the nail stand, and we're gonna keep it moving. So like I mentioned, I'm using all the stickers that had doubles, and then for the ones that don't have doubles, I'm just making sure I pick a sticker that's as close to the other hand as possible. But for my thumb, I was able to pick the exact same stickers as my other thumbnail, so the thumbs are matching up perfectly. Now there was 2 green snowflakes, but one green snowflake is bigger than the other one, so as you can see, they're not super perfect, but they gonna go together because they both green, and you're not even gonna be able to tell one snowflake is bigger than the other one. So as long as they the same color, nobody's gonna know. How would they know? If somebody point that out, that mean they just looking too hard, and they just need to back up and get out your business. So my middle fingers are definitely gonna be a little bit different. There was only one sticker like the Christmas lights that I had put on the first middle fingernail, so I went with a wreath on the cuticle area of this middle fingernail, but I still picked a Christmas ornament to go up under it like I did on the other middle fingernail, so it still matches and it still looks cute. Now I have December on my ring finger on the first hand that I did, so I went with the word winter. Those are the only 2 words that came in the pack of stickers, so I just made sure I picked the words for the ring fingers, and I picked an ornament to go up under the winter, just like I did for the December nail. So it's still going together. Y'all see what I'm doing? Like, it's still looking cute. And for the pinky nail, this mistletoe is a little bit different than the other pinky nails, but so what? And since I picked a snowman for the other pinky nail, it was only one snowman and only one one gingerbread man. So I put the gingerbread man on the other pinky, and it's still flowing together. And now I'm just removing the nails off of the nail stand, which is super easy to do. You just peel that clay from underneath the nail. And if you get any clay residue that's left behind from the clay, you just go ahead and use your finger to scrape it off, and boom, that is it. So this is the completed set, and y'all, these nails came out so bomb, perfect for Christmas, super easy to do. It's nail techs out here charging an arm and a leg to create this same set, and girl, you better DIY it when all else fails. DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it, and make sure you stay tuned for part 2 where I actually apply these nails. So make sure that notification bell is on, and make sure you guys like this video and drop a comment and let me know how you are feeling these Christmas nails. Let me know how you think I did. Did I nail it or did I fail it? I want to hear y'all thoughts for real, so don't be scared to comment. Say however you feel. This is a safe space, okay? And if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Boo, go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. Thanks so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.